Alright guys, so today's video is about Kinemaster. So Kinemaster is a video editing app for smartphone users, whether you are using Android or iOS, that is Apple phone. So if you want to create videos from scratch, if you want to edit a recorded video, that is video you've recorded already and you want to edit it, you want to arrange it scene by scene, or you want to create a short advert videos, maybe for your product or for your services, then you need to try Kinemaster. Kinemaster can help you achieve that. So I will do a step-by-step guide on how to use Kinemaster to create and edit videos. Even if you are a newbie, you've not created video before, you've not edited videos before, I'm going to show you how to use Kinemaster to do that in an easy way. So all you need now is to follow my instructions. Just follow me as I am teaching you. Now go to your Play Store and download Kinemaster. This is the app. On your screen, just download Kinemaster. So after downloading Kinemaster, you install it. So after installing it, you open it or you enable it, whichever option you see there. Either open, either enable, they are the same thing. So when you open it, it will open. Let's open Kinemaster now. So whenever you are editing on Kinemaster, it's always on landscape mode. Landscape. In other ones will be street, but this one will be on landscape. That is how it is being designed. You click on create new. Just click on create new. So yeah, we are going to choose our aspect ratio. We have 16:9, 16:9, 9:16, which is TikTok formats. Then we have 1:1, which is Instagram. So we have 4:3, we have 3:4, we have 4:5, we have 2.35 by 1. So but normally I'm always shooting on or creating videos on 16:9, which is YouTube. You can do, if you are using CapCut, if you want to upload it on maybe TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, you can use this TikTok size, understand? So you can choose anyone you want. So I'm choosing 16:9, which is YouTube size. So now let's create. So you put your project name. You can say, if you're selling physical products, you can say my products, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a video, short video of your physical products. You can say my products. You just click on create. Now this advert now, you just remove it. Remove the adverts, so it will bring you here. This is how it is going to display. So remember, we are shooting on 16:9, but normally Kinemaster used to display like this instead of the vertical format. It used to display on landscape mode. So let's create something. So if you look here, we have all this, your gallery. This one is image sets, video assets, image asset, video assets. This one is favorite, this one is pixels, and so on and so forth, all those things. So if you look here, this is Kinemaster store. If you want to buy anything, you come to Kinemaster store, you buy anything, maybe effect, transition, maybe fonts, music, anything, sound. If you're looking for a sound and you can't find it in your normal where they used to put sound, you can come to store and buy a new one. Just make sure you have data, and you can buy it's not every sound that you can buy, because this is free version of Kinemaster, except you have the paid version, which is the pro version. So each one you click and they said is pro, you just leave it, go for free ones. There are so many free ones there, but if you have money for the pro version, you just subscribe and you will have access to everything. So this one is video, image, and so on. So we are going to create. So you click on this image asset, you click on image asset to choose a background. So when I click here now,
There are so many backgrounds here. I can choose any one that I want to choose. So let me just choose one. Let me just choose this. So when you choose it, you click on it and you stretch it. You hold it and you stretch it. Now we are trying to create a product video. So maybe an advert video for our product, just a short video. So when you select it, then you go back. So when you come back here, you click on this all, click on all, click here to select your maybe your image or video, or if you don't want, you can click on only video to select whichever one you want. So when you click on all, to bring you here. So here you can select. So we want to create a product video. So let me just choose random products here. So these images you are seeing are products that I'm using to create videos for my clients. So short advert video, let me just choose. So we are supposed to lay this thing, we are supposed to put it as a layer. So I'm going to delete it now because the positioning is not good. I'm going to delete it. So see where, if you want to delete, just click here. See this thing here, you delete that delete icon. So I will click on delete to go. So when you select it, you click on delete, it will go. So I want to lay it as a layer. So I will come on layer here. This is layer. This is layer. Now this layer means you are putting it on this background. So if you just choose it as just without choosing it from layer, it will come before this background, just like what happened now that made me to delete it. So you are putting it on this background, it will be on this background. So you click on layer. Then if you want to add video, still click on layer. If you don't click on layer, if you click on video direct, it will not come. It will. Let me show you what I mean now. Now if I didn't click, if I click here now, if I click here now, choose a video. If I choose anything from here now, we see how it will display. You see how it will display, you see. So it will come before, see here, it will come before this background. So it will not be nice. So I want to use this background so that I will project the beauty of this thing. So let me delete it. Let me delete it once. Now if you want to choose it, if you want it to come on this, background, to be on top of this background, you just click on layer, then you click on media, click on layer, click on media. So now you come to this all. Now you can select it. Let me just select that image again, select this one. Now let's go back. You see what I mean now? So it will display on this place. So I will shift it up. If you want to shift it, just click and hold it, you drag it. Just click and hold the image, then you drag it. So now I want to add transition or animation, to spice it up. So I will click on the image, then I will come to this in animation, this place. Here we have in animation, we have overall animation, we have out animation, then and so on and so forth. There are so many tools here. So I want to add in animation now. Now if I click on in animation, I have fade, I have pop, slide left and right, slide up, slide down. So many of them, counter. So anything you add, any image or video you add, you can always choose any of these, or you put converge, wipe right, wipe left, wipe up, so and so on and so forth. You see, it's many. You can choose this, choose this. So these ones are in animation. Now let me go back. This is out animation. Let's say if this simply to this place now, if I add out animation, the animation will show. So something like this. something like this, something like this. So it's still the same thing. The in animation and the out animation are the same thing. So the difference there is overall animation. So if you put overall animation, you don't need to add in animation or out animation. So when I click on it, I come to overall animation, I can choose this one, I can choose this. So it will be playing like this, it is playing like this till the image till you get to another slide. You see, you can choose this, you can choose ring, beautiful. You can choose floating, drifting, you see, rain. So you can choose any of these. Now let me remove it at all. Remove it. Now let me put the in animation that I want to put. So I want to choose converge. Now I will reduce it to 0.5. You can reduce it to 0.1 to be faster, or you can shift it to 2 to be slower. 1.5, 0.1 and 0.5. I want to put it on 0.5. So next thing now is I will expand it, or if I want to add like 2 images, I will just reduce it, then I will bring it to this side. I'll bring it here. Now if you're adding anything, because of this red line, you see this red line that is appearing, so make sure that this thing is at the center of that red line. It is called rule of third. It's called rule of third to centralize something. Or if you want to put it at the middle, you see another red line, you see it now like a cross. So make sure it's at the center, you centralize it. These are one of the rules of video editing. So you centralize it like this. So if you want to increase it, you can just increase it with this arrow button, reduce it. If you want to rotate it, use this up one, this one to rotate it, you see. So let's say I want to add 2 images, I will just bring this one here, then I will come back to this media again, to this layer, click on layer, click on media, then I will click on all and choose one of these. I can choose this one too. So when I choose it, the next thing I will do is to click and hold, then I'll bring it to make sure that it's in line with this one. So I will drag this thing back. Now I will click on hold the second one. I will click on the second one and shift it back like this. You see now. So if I want 2 of them to cover the screen, I don't want to see any space on the screen, I will just increase it, drag it back, increase it like this. Then I will increase this one too. You see it? I will cover the screen. Only 2 of these things will be showing. So I want to add in animation here. I will come to in animation. I'll go to converge. Then I will choose 0.5. So 2 of them will display once. Now let's go back and play. You see how they displayed. Now this is the first image that I've added. So there are ways you can do this thing in a way that you can remove the background of this picture to make it more beautiful. Now let me use an image that has no background. Let me show you. Let me add it here. You can just bring this thing here, come to media, then come to, let me look for an image that I have removed. There is an image that I have removed the background before. Let me use this one. See this one, see how beautiful this one is. So I can just bring it, centralize it. Now if I want to change the color of this background, I can easily change it. I'll click on it, you come here, you see this color, you click on this color. You can choose any color. You can choose black, you can choose red. If the colors here are not the colors you want, you click on spectrum. You see grid. We have grid, we have spectrum, we have shaders. So you can use your hand and make your color if you are good in choosing colors. Click on spectrum, you can choose any color. You see, as if I'm rotating this, and the color is changing. You can drag this one like this, or you click on shaders, you can choose your color like this. So you can choose your own color, you can create your own color. So that is that. But I love using this one. They have selected the colors already, so I can choose this is a purple. I think this is purple color, or I can choose yellow, whichever one you want to choose. Just click select on it, then you can choose yellow. See, yellow is fine. So I'll bring this one down here. See how you see how I'm arranging it. So once this one, after this one now, then this is the next slide. So let me put out animation on this second image. Let me put out animation. So you come to out animation, you choose slide. I think it's slide right, are we? Yeah. So reduce it to 0.5. So let's go. Now see how beautiful it is. So I think this one has how many? Out animation 1. Okay. Second one, let me put it at 1 also, so that it will rhyme. Bring it to 1. So 2 of them will go out at the same time. Now see it. So 2 of them fade in the same time and they fade out at the same time. So this, as they fade out, this one is coming in. The shoe is coming in. Now let me put in animation on this shoe. I can put scale up. Yeah, I can put scale up. So once this one is fading out, this one is coming, scale up. Now let me add my third product. You see how I'm creating it? Let me add my third product. So just take note of this thing. You see this red arrow here, this red line. Take note of it. That is where we determine where your product will be positioned. So if the thing is here now, then any image I'm bringing should end here. It should start from here. Sorry. So you come to media, you come here. Let me choose another image. I can choose this. See, this one will come in. I can put in animation. I can use pop, increase it to 1.5. Then I will increase the size of this image like this. Fantastic. You see, very beautiful. So and so on and so on. So you keep on adding it like this, keep on adding it. So this one will end here. You add another one, the same way you are adding audio, the same way you are adding video. Okay, let me add a video now to show you what I mean. So the same way you are adding image is the same way you are adding video. So let me just add one more, then I will add video. So you will not say maybe it's because I'm adding audio image. So you come back. Now let me increase this back. If you want to increase this, I just click on it, then you drag it like this, centralize it, make sure it's centralized. See the cross, it will be at the center. So you put in animation. Let me use slide up. I love using 0.5 because it's faster. One thing with advert is the how fast it is. You see how this one displayed so fast? To carry the audience along. So if the thing is displaying sluggishly, people may not be that much interested. You understand? So I will make it 0.5. See how it popped up. This one to 0.5. in animation 0.5. See it, so it draws attention. The way the thing will just come with speed, it draws attention. So let's go here now. Let me add a video. So if you want to see your timeline, say like this now, you may not see everything. You just here now. Let me show you. You can come here, this place now, to see your timeline. Where click that place, click that first one. So when I click it now, everything will show. See now, you are seeing everything under here. So when you click it back, it will go back. So if you want, if you are editing and you made a mistake, you want to undo, like you mistakenly deleted something and you want that thing back, just click on this thing. It will bring it back. So if you want to duplicate any of this image, just select the image, then you click here. There is a 3 dots here. This place now, there is a 3 dots there. Just click on it. So you bring out this thing. You see duplicate, bring to front, bring forward, send back. So let's say I want this image to be duplicated. I will just click on it. It has duplicated. If you look here now, you will see 2 of it. You are seeing 2, this thing here, 2 image on the timeline. So if you want to see it now, bring this one here, click on one, then you drag it. You see. Okay, so if you want to send any image, to the back, like you see now, I'm having like 3 images here now, and I want to send this one that is at the top. I want to send it to the back, like I want it to be at the back of this shoe. So I will just select it, then I'll click on these 3 dots. If I click on this, I'll click on send backward. As you can see, it has gone to the back. See it here. So I can use this one and cover it like this. This one is at the top now, this one is at the back. So if I want to bring it back to the front, I will select it again. I will come here and I'll click on bring forward. See, it has come to the front. See, so it's as simple as that. So let me delete it. Now I've duplicated this one. I can leave the 2 like this. I can leave it like this, or I can rotate it, whichever one you want to do. I can leave it like this, so now let's move. So let me add a video to this place. So I click on media. Let me drag this into here. So I will come to here. I will look for, let me just look for a video. So let's say I want to add this video now. Okay, so don't mind this thing, just click on OK. So see the video.
Yeah, you still get shame. You know if you make money.
So let's say you want to explain this product now. You want to create video on how you want to explain this product. Let me increase it like this. And you want to do a separate video explaining the product. Let's say you recorded this, you recorded a separate video to explain this product. Now, what you will do is just you come here, come to this place, you put the product here, and you add the video. So I believe you've seen something like this when people will be talking and image will be displaying. Grab. So let me just delete one of these. Okay, so it's fine. So like something like this.
Yeah, you still get shame. You know if you make money. If you never did shameless, you never ready.
So you can just extend this, extend that image under that video, just to be at the same level. So you can bring this video up like this, drag this one, shift it like this, you grab. So they will think we'll be explaining it like this to catch audience. You see something like this.
Yeah, you still get shame. You know if you make money. If you never did shameless, you never ready. You know if you carry also for head, everybody knows now everything they do with this.
Now you see it's very simple. So let me, if I don't want like that, I can just drag this one, let it come after this image. I'll just drag this one back, then I'll bring it here. Now you can duplicate this video to be two. Like if you want this video to be two, to display in two places, you can just click on it. If you click on it, you come here, click on duplicate. So we have two videos here now. You grab, so click on the video and bring it like this. See it? So it's as simple as that. If you look at it, you see so many tools here. You see so many tools here. You will see speed, just to increase the speed of your video. You will see reverse, split screen, crop. Let's say you want to crop an image, you crop it. So go down, you see corner pin, transform, filter, adjustments. All these things are just to increase brightness and all that. See, play with them, just play along with them. See it? So if you don't want, you can just come back, reduce these things, reduce them back to 0, reduce it back to 0. So blending, effect, AI style. Now if you want to extract the audio of this video, just click on extract. The audio will be separated from the video. Look at the audio here. See the audio. Now let me open this timeline. You see the two video, this is the audio. So if you delete this audio now, you won't be hearing what this guy is saying again. Grab. So it's as simple as that. So the audio has been extracted differently from the video. So let's go back. So you see, Kinemaster is very interesting if you know how to use it. So there are so many things here. Voice changer. Let's try this voice changer. We have two-faced, alien. See. Put it on normal back. So just play around with this. But you know, before you make any effect, before you effect any change here, you must have to select that thing first before you can be able, before these options will come up. You grab. So this one is cropping. Just toggle it on. You crop. This is it here. You crop. Although we are not seeing that. Okay. You can crop it down. Can crop it down. Let's say you want to crop this video now, you can crop it. You don't want to see this text, you can crop it. You can even shift it like this. So depending on what you want to crop, grab. So you toggle it off if you don't want. Now next thing here, there are so many things here. I just play around with them. I cannot come and be explaining it one by one. You grab. If you watch my other videos on InShot, CapCut, all these ones are, it's more like the same thing. All of them are the same. So this one is split. Split is to split this video. Let's say I want to split this video now. So when I click on split, it will split it from here. This red line is this place. Now if I click split now, it will split from here. Now let me split it and add transition. Now if I click on split now, I have splitted it. So I now have two videos here. So let me delete this one. So I now have two videos here. So I can move this one. I can move this one like this. Grab. Let's say you want to split out the part you don't want. You can just cut it out. Split means to cut. So we have trim, we have split. So whichever one you want to do, you do. So which other thing is here? Okay, if you want to, let's say you want to replace this video, with another video, just click on replace. You can choose any other thing, maybe you can choose image. You can choose this image to replace the video. You grab, bring it to the center. So it's as simple as that. If you want to add text, you just click on text, type anything. You can just type my products. Okay, let me just delete all this. Let me just delete this video. Let me delete all these ones. Let's continue from where we stopped before. Now let me delete this one too. This is my product. Let me delete it. Now let's continue from here. So if you want to add names, let's say you want to add names to this thing. Let me delete one of these. Let's say I want to add name. No, this one is a women pants. If I want to add name here now, I can just bring this one here, and I will come back. I will click on text. I will put pants. I'll put pants. I'll click on OK. Now I'll bring it here. I will increase it. If I want to change the font, I'll just click on font. As you can see here, see font. Click on font. I can choose any font here. Now you can see I have like so many fonts here. So when you start your own, you may not have up to all this. So when you did not see fonts to choose, just come to this store, this Kinemaster store, this thing here, this thing that is like a cup. Come to it, click on it, it will open. It will open like this. Now when you're looking at, you see these are different fonts here. These are different fonts. You see it? These are different fonts. Anyone you want. If it is this one, let me go down. I have downloaded so many. Let's say I want to download here. Now let me come to this place. Let me open this one. So you just click on this download button. This thing here. Click on it and it will download. Then when after downloading, you come here, you will see it. Just come to this your font. It will display here. So let me just change that font. I can choose this one. Now let's go back. See, you see that it has changed. So if I want to project this color, or maybe I want to change the color to green or blue, see, very fine, very fine. Now interesting, right? So you increase it to be in line with this one, just stretch it, or you click and hold it, drag it back. So you can put in animation as this one is coming converging, though this one can just come out from here. So you put slide left, no, slide right. Now you choose it to 0.5. You see how fine it is. So you can also put your price. You just click on that text, you duplicate it, just duplicate it, drag it down, just duplicate it, drag it down like this. Then you come to edit, click on edit. You can add your price. You can say 10k. Reduce it like this. Or if you don't want, you can change the font of this 10k. Come to font, you can choose this one as your font. You see, reduce it like this. Or if the font is too big, you can choose another font. Let me look for slim letter, something like this. So see, now very interesting. So you come back here, you can also write here. So to be faster, all you need to do is just click on this first one, come and duplicate it again. Then it's now 3 here now. So what you will do is just click on one, click and hold one, drag it here like this. So when it comes here now, after this is this. So all you need to do is just click here, you come here. Okay, let me also duplicate the name. Duplicate this one too. So you don't need to go and be creating another one, just duplicate, drag and hold, bring it here, bring it here. So you write the name, just write the name, sorry, come to edit, can write Versace, maybe it's Versace. Then you can change the price, come to edit, can say 100k. So it's as simple as that, and so on and so forth. So once you duplicate it, the animation and everything is automatically added to it. Now let's play. You see what I mean? You see now? So you can bring this one back a little bit, bring it back here, so this one will display well. Now when you are editing, just make sure that these things are closer to each other so that it will display well. See it? Very interesting. So and so on, and so that is how you keep adding the names and everything. So the next thing here is sticker. Let's say you want to add sticker to your video or to your this thing. You can choose so many stickers here. Look at this one. The sticker is not displaying well. Okay, see it here. You can choose so many stickers just to beautify your video. I think it's because of my network, because this Kinemaster, most times some of them need you need to have data for you to be able to see what is saying. So you need to have data for you to be able to operate it. Some of the features need data, so some of them you can't do it offline, so you just need to have data. See, but it's fantastic. The app is fantastic. It's more like when you are editing with a Premiere Pro, you understand? So let's go back. Now this is handwriting. Let's say you want to write with your hand. You can choose any of these. Just come here and write. You can write your name. Let me write my name, Rapito. So it's handwriting. This one is to erase it. Okay, this one is to choose the sizes of the size of the text. Understand? So the thing, this one is to erase it. So just play around, we get used to these things. So whichever one here have I not mentioned? This is effect. Okay, these are effects. Let's say you want to add this effect. Now let me show you how this one works. If you duplicate this background now, if you split this background now if you want to add effects, you add effect from here. Okay, let me do it. Okay, yeah, let me do it from here. Let me undo this and show you what I mean. So let's say I want to bounce from here to here, from this image to this image. So if I want to split, I will split between two of them. I will split the background between two of them. I will split it, then I will now come to the center, now add effect, maybe transition or to something like this, just to fade out to the other one, something like this. See it? So you can choose as many of them. There are so many. See this one, see this one, see this one, look at this one, look at this one. So line by line you can choose them, whichever one you want to choose. Now let's play. Grab. So it's as simple as that. Now the next thing is the next thing here is which other thing here, which other thing? Remember, this is the store. This is the store. Now this one now is to export. This angle now that is facing, this arrow facing up, is to export. Let's say you have finished editing, you click there to export. So which other thing have I not showed you? Let's add a sound. Let's say I want to add sound from here. Now I will just click on this thing, then I will click on, let me go back, I will click on audio. This is audio. If you look here now, you will see audio. This is audio. Now if you want to record direct, you record from here. This one is AI. This one is the layer that I was talking about before. This one is the media. Now if you want to add an audio, now that is a background sound, you can come here. I have some audios here. So if you want to choose any of them, just after you have played and listened, just click on this plus sign. It will select. There are so many audio here. You can come to short music. You can come to short music, SFX, recorded. This one has songs in your phone. If you want to choose songs from your phone, albums, artists, like this one now. If I want to choose this Bidemi or Laoba song, I will just and select it, drag it, come here. So let me go back. Now I've added audio, and let me play. Now we are hearing two sound here now. So let me remove this one. This one I added before. Let me just remove it. Or if you don't want to remove it, you can just click on it, come to this volume envelope and reduce it to 0, so you will not hear it again. Okay, so it's no more sound. I've reduced it.
See, you still get shame. You know people you never did.
So if you want to reduce the voice, let's say it's playing, then coming to this place that this guy wants to say something. So let's check. So this is the, where is that guy video? Okay, here that he wants to say something. Now from here, now you can reduce this thing, this sound. You can split it. I think you can split it. Then this particular part, now you reduce the sound, you reduce the volume, sorry. So I think okay, it should be this one, should be this second one. Let me delete this one. Let me delete this summer chemical. So split it. Then this one, now you reduce it, you just reduce the volume, let's say to 25. Now let's see what happens here. Now
you still get shame. You know if you make money, you never did.
See the magic now. So you just reduce it, and you are good to go. Let me stretch this video. So let's say,
see, you still get shame. You know if you make money, you never did shameless. You never ready.
see now, so the background sound is playing and the guy's audio is being heard. So that is how it is being done. So what else again? I'm not sure. I've showed you everything. Let's say I want to record direct now. Now let me delete this song. Okay, let me record direct from here. After this video, now let me record direct. I will shrink this one. Oh, this thing long. Okay, let me split it. Let me just split it now. I will split it. then throw away this one, delete this one. Then I can as well drag this thing. No, let me delete this thing. So from here I can record direct. Click on start. Yeah, so I will click on. So I've recorded direct now. Just click as the thing is recorded, just click on stop if you are done. Now let me play. So you know what I'm saying? So if you want to record, you can use Kinemaster, you can use InShot, you can use CapCut to record your video or to create your video. Bam. You see, very interesting. So whichever thing you want to do. Now let me show you this thing. Now let's say I don't want to use any backgrounds. I want to use my voice here to explain this product. I will just delete this one. Now I will just, from here now, I will just click on record, start. Stop. Now I've recorded it. So I want to use my voice to explain. Now I will play. See it. So this is pants. We are selling it 10,000, original one. So this is shoe, Versace shoe, original Versace, 100,000. See how it's shining. So this one is women's shoe for your office work, for church and all that. This is bag, 50,000.
Yeah, you will still get shame. You know if you make money. You never.
So because this audio is now conflicting with the other audio, I will just click on it and delete it. Now if you look at it, you see that they have two different color. This one is the recorded audio, the one I recorded direct. You see the color like purple, but this one is green, the background audio that came with this video, the audio that came with this video. So I can just delete it because I extracted it. That's why you were able to see it. If I didn't extract it from the video, you will not see it like this. So this one will be playing.
Yeah, you will still get shame. You know if you make.
Let me go back. I think there is still audio. Okay, I didn't extract this one. Let me extract this one and remove it. So if you want to extract audio, just come here, scroll down, click on extract audio. The audio has been extracted. So if I delete it now, you won't hear him again. This is bag, 50,000, fantastic. You see. So this is man talking. This bag is fantastic now. So you see that Kinemaster is sweet. I've touched everywhere. So after everything, if you want to export, let me now adjust this thing. Let me split this one from here just to make sure everything is in line. Then delete. So drag this one, come back. So time to export. I will just, after I've arranged my video sequence by sequence, I will just click here and export it. So let me click and show you. So when you click here, it will bring out this thing now. This is the format. As you can see, we have 480, we have 360, we have 720, we have 1080. So it's on high. This one is low, this is high. Stretch it to high. Then upload. Don't click on upload, or click on save video, save as video. Don't click upload. Don't click this one. Click here. You understand? So if you click on upload, this is what you will see. They will be asking you a jam question to continue with email and all those things. Let's say you want to upload it direct to your social media. This no, export it first so I will know the video you shoot before you upload. So let's say you mistakenly click on upload, it will bring you back to this place. Click on this video.
If you are getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification, and likewise share it to your brothers, your sisters, your friends, your family, even to your enemies, so that they can learn as you are learning. Share this video on your WhatsApp status, on your Instagram reels, on your Facebook. Share it so that people can learn even as you are learning.
So you bring you back here, then just click on save as video. Skip these things, skip this advert. All these adverts are showing because it's on this thing, on free version. Just skip it, then saving. See how fast it will save. But if the video is long, it will not be this fast though. So it's exporting based on the size of the video. If the video is too long, it will not be this fast. It will be slow. And again, depending on the space you have in your phone and the speed of your memory. If your memory is low, it will be low. So this my phone has high memory, that's why.
So thank you for watching.